River Plate was founded in 1992, and today nobody has optimized as we have comfort and logistics with the most productive and remote fisheries in the world. And Luis, how do we do this?
Yes, we fly our guests to remote and highly mobile floating cabins. No long boat rides, no time wasted in getting to prime fishing areas. Travel times to fish each day average 10 to 20 minutes, while other operators routinely travel 1 to 2 hours more from fixed lodges or large hotel boats. Our unique mobility allows us to fish in areas above natural barriers such as shallow water, sandbars, and rapids that prevents passage of all sport fishing yachts and commercial fishing. There are no expensive flyouts. There are no crowded waters. We do not overfish. We move onto fresh water every few days. Our small groups of 8 anglers maximum enjoy personal service and access pristine waters that seldom see a lure.